In this video, I will demonstrate on how you can download and install ZinoVision Evolved in GTA 5 for free. I will leave the links in the descriptions of the 3 web pages that we will be visiting today. I would like to ask you to follow each step till the end for the best results. So let's get started by downloading link number 1, link number 2, and in the third one, we can click on Grand Theft Auto, ZinoVision Evolved, and click on download. You'll be redirected to a different page where you can click on download. Now it's going to go ahead and download for us. So let's open up our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder and the files we just downloaded. So on our left side, we have a clean folder of Grand Theft Auto 5 without any modifications. And on the right side, we have the files we downloaded. Let's start with Open 4, double click on it. You can hit continue, hit accept, click continue, and here you can click continue to install. I already have it, so I won't be doing that. I will be showing you how to do the first steps in Open 4. Right click on it, run as administrator, click yes, and here you're going to click on Windows. And you're going to wait for it to load up. Then the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the yellow bar, what can I do? And you're going to give it permissions. After that, you're going to click close. You're going to go to tools, click on ASI manager, and from here on out you can click install on all 3. It will ask you to create a mods folder. You're going to click on yes and install also the last one. Now we can actually close this down. Then we're going to open up the scriptbook V folder. We're going to go to the bin folder. We're going to select these 2 files that I select, and we're going to drag and drop them in our Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. Then you're going to go back. You're going to go back. We are also going to download and install a simple trainer. Go ahead and download it. And for the simple trainer, we're just going to open it up, select the 2 files that I select, and just drag and drop them in the main directory folder. And that's it. And then we're going to go to ZinoVision Evolved. We're going to right click on it and we're going to click on extract all, and we're going to wait for it till it's completed. After it's finished, you can double click to open it up and go ahead and open up Open 4 again. Click on Windows. And then we're going to click on edit mode, turn it on, and we're going to go to the part 1. We're going to drag and drop it in Open 4, and we're going to click on install to mods folder. After that is done, you can close it up and do the same with Open part 2. Hit edit mode again, drag and drop it in Open 4, and click on install in mods folder. Then you can close that down too, and then we're going to go into the shaders. We're going to double click on it and we're going to select everything, and we're going to just drag and drop it in our main directory folder. There you go. Now we can go to optionals and you can install whatever you would like to have. I'm going to quickly show the things that I will install. And that's about it for the optional add-ons we just installed. If that part went too fast for you, you can go ahead and lower down the playback speed in this YouTube video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start up the game and see how everything looks. The intro is stunning. Just look at that. Game is fully launched up. As you can see, this is far more realistic. Just look at the reflections, raindrops, lighting, and much more. That being said, the F3 key on your keyboard will open up the simple trainer, and the insert key on your keyboard will open up the reshade menu. Without further ado, this video has come to an end. I would like to thank everyone for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment. Have a great day and goodbye.